Yes, YouTube world and YouTube off. First and foremost, YouTube disclaimer. I have nothing to do with the music in the background. May I hear about 3 different set of music in the background. Not close to me, but you can hear it in the wind. It come like one day to my left, one day to my right, and one day behind me. So disclaimer, YouTube. Please, I have nothing to do with the music in the background. Right? Alright. Anyway, Donna, Dimes. Donna and Dimes, the two wanna come here. Why wanna make on a lifestyle of pressure tea girl, so? No, sir. Every day this girl get up play fool herself. And the girl so delusional. The girl has said Donna can't live without she. Because Donna in her house boring. Actually I cry. You know, like when somebody depressed, how Donna could have depressed over now? Eh? And I go say Donna figure look what Donna hitch up in a house, and what kind of what Donna figure look? If Donna figure look, what away you figure look? Eh? If Donna have her things and comfortable, and you when have nothing, not having a work, you're not having a business, and Donna when not having a work, have our business and have our things, you as a she figure look what? Then where you figure look, girl? Eh? You figure look one spot figure sell your body. And that you figure look. But at the same time, you don't have nothing to sell nobody, because nothing at all where you have no man now go want. You understand? This girl claim to say she go out one night and come in back. And you could have hear the girl never get a proper sleep after coming after 12, as according to she go 1 o'clock. This girl wake up and Donna name and Dine's name. People, bloggers out there, she says she's in a striking mood. So I want to be careful of how to use her content. She says she have time to sit down on the computer, and she have done some already, and she going to do some more. Recently, let me see where she strike at 360, but the strike coming like it never gash. Because YouTube send back 360 some farm or something where me see my show, email or whatsoever, say she strike off of him, and the strike never gash. You understand? No fire, no gash. But the girl come out pan Donna and Dimes lifestyle. Donna in a pool, where that have to do with you? Where Donna want in a pool, in a clothes, and whatsoever, how much clothes. There is a property management. There is a maintenance crew. There's supposed to be a supervisor in and around the property. So if there's a problem with she going into the pool with clothes because of detergent that the clothes might use to wash it, or what kind of dye might run off in the clothes in the pool and cause problem, where is the property manager? Where is the maintenance crew? Where is the supervisor? Eh? And for a place like that, you would have seen signs. Please don't enter the pool in this, that, Ray, or Taranat. Who is you if you come and tell Donna if you go in a pool? Where did you want she go in? 2-piece when you fit her? Like how you know 2-piece no fit you, and you want go in the woman where she feel comfortable for going to the pool. You don't want to see her in a 1-2-piece, you come out here, come go up and eat her ass again, like how you have been there from week. Donna, you constipated? It look like you're constipated, you know, Donna. Because this girl up in your house from week, you're supposed to let her out now. You understand? She's supposed to in some sewage floating away right now, but come like you're constipated, so you can't let her out. Because when she had up in your ass and week, that she want to see you in a probably bathing suit now, if you come up in your house some more. Eh? Me don't know, you know, me ask. Speak my mind, people don't know what they do. We are going to get into the video. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you know the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. And please remember to run over on the website of Charms and Trends and support my merch. My Speak My Mind merch t-shirt caps are over there. Limited amount of caps. When it's finished, I will let you know. But locally, you can get caps, but overseas, I have a limited amount of cap, because as I said, the person who manufacture and prepare the t-shirts, they don't do cap, but they were planning on trying to accommodate me with the caps, but it's not going to work out as I told you from first. So I did have to get someone who, like when me know somebody come down when I go up, me get them carry it up and mail it off to the address that distribute the things. Yes, So I have a few caps up there now. When it finished, I will let you know. So who want caps, Speak My Mind caps. No Life is a Mission is there, Speak My Mind. So only just reach out on the website and shop. We have a 30-ounce tumblers, quality goods, reasonable price. We have 40-ounce, you get it with angle, without angle. We have the gym buckles for the people and the gym lovers who like to carry them fuel to gym, to, you know, re-liquid and re-energize themselves. If there's an energy drink or whatsoever, where Gatorade or whatsoever, Lucasade, whatsoever, to give back the body some energy, you know, and glucose in the system. We have those buckles. We have the cocomelon buckles for the kids. We have bracelet, you know, made from real rhinestone, not something we are going to strip off and change in a couple days, you know. Plus, we have a lot of things. We have down to open and customize phone cases. Just check it out, and anything you see, you can get it customized to your liking. So if you want your name on it, you get it. If you want your picture on it, you get it. Once it is something that can be done, we will done it for you. And that's a good reason to shop with Charms and Trends. You don't just walk into a store and pick up anything you see. You have to choose which one you like. You can pick what you like and create your own thing by customizing what you see and put where you want on it. Alright? So I want to do. And remember, the more I shop with Charms and Trends, the more it help me to reach out to these adopted people that I want to adopt. And you know, as I said, I want to adopt 5, but I only have 2 right now, because you don't know, we can't put to we can't reach. And me as a man, when I make my commitment, I am serious about my commitment. I don't make promises and don't serious about it. I'm gonna have to know how me go about it before me do it. Alright? So I have 2 persons who are adopt, and the more you support the business, the more you watch the ads to the people who can really reach out and support and watch the ads. Yes, thank you, but me ask one of them who can afford to, please run over to the website. I say me not post, me post cash app, but me them not talk about it. The cash app is still in the comment section, $ Charms and Trends. So if you want to go through the cash app and send some gift to me, which is not a charity, you gift me and I use a gift to give back to the needy. So be the case. And if you don't have cash app and you have Zelle and you want to reach out, you can contact me on 876-221-9789. I will take it from there. If you don't have none of the above, still contact me. You can go to an agent, whether MoneyGram, Western Union, whatsoever. And bear in mind, you're not sending your money to a charity, you're sending it to give me. I choose to use the gift to give back to the needy and not the greedy. Alright? Tomorrow, the woman, when you not see that video, yeah, the woman supposed to be on her way. But in the 2 o'clock, I come link me. I give that woman raw cash because she don't eat certain things, so she have to go to town go buy her ground provision and stuff. Monday morning now, I will go and get Tallman things them for him and give him. And I already have a video line of a Price Mart Mountain. We are going to add to that, so we will get that on the other channel, Life is a Mission TV. Alright, so in the support, that's where it goes. Alright, so just run over on the website, please and thanks, and support the merge. Speak My Mind merge. Alright, anyway, we are get right now the video, and as I say, YouTube, disclaimer, I am not responsible for the music in the background. I'm in the comfort of my own home. Music I play, it's weekend, about 3 different sets of music I play. So, that's it.
What's up, darlings? How are you? Good morning, baby.
You never know, say, Dance and Donna life are pressure you. The people, them lifestyle, I know they make you not live.
Nothing like a good cup of hot coffee.
And you can't look after it in your yard.
Because I gotta go back on my computer. I have some more striking to do. Yes, video chat.
She weird, black girl, she's striking people, she said.
Everybody, blood. Want me to sit down and bleat? What? I just have to get my coffee first. We have time, you know. We have time today. I have time.
Big old careless girl, you're there, you're there on your computer, say you strike people. And you couldn't put on, she ever said Donna ask the stove. And no, ask the kitchen. Oh, you know, say you Donna talk about kitchen. Donna come out and call her name, I don't know people. Because based on the video where she talk about, Donna in a pool and I talk all kind of things. You understand? And I put fire to fuel to fire. She knows how she Donna talk about kitchen. And when she used to in her kitchen a bake, them used to talk about it. But now she not show in her kitchen. It's a problem same way. When you used to in your kitchen where you bake in wasn't the problem. It's a washing machine and dryer. Stop make it look like people were going at you because you are baking in your kitchen. Actually, every small baker, small persons have to start from somewhere. And most bakers start from them kitchen. So nobody could have bash you for your kitchen. It's the kitchen where you're in a wash and a dryer in it and see the space here. You have said Donna can't turn in a fair kitchen because she full it up at this and full it up at that, and she can't turn in her house because dimes and her full up them place at this and that. But remember, this was your kitchen. See it here, one little passage. Left kitchen sink, right washer and dryer. When you turn right now the washer, you turn right now the sink. So you can't come tell these people. I'm glad you know if anything and the space is small, it's because they might put too much things there as what you are saying. But your space was definitely small for you to be having a bakery in your home with a washer and a dryer right beside you where you have baked things to ship out to sell people. So that was the people them concerned, not the kitchen where you are baking at.
Yes, my dear child.
Boy, yeah, strike.
You know what I forgot? I forgot to tell her to put a shot of Hazy. I make them eat. You know, disrespectful nah give you food.
Marcia taught this.
None of them are disrespect.
Marcia taught this and she make we eat.
But they want to come make videos and disrespect me and me I feed them. I might name them lift pan and I feed themselves. But they want to come disrespect me. Not in a
So all you want disrespect 99 and a she you live off of. Every month you come out to come call her name to pay your bills.
Not in my book.
When you think about your rent and can't find it, Donna name are the first thing you think about.
I have time today. I am going to sit and I'm going to do all of them. I am just going through every damn thing. Any little crevice, nook. Everything I got through.
Nook and cranny, man. Let me finish it
Shut
for you.
them down. All of them are going to look at job. And who don't want to look at job, them are going to go back and sell them front. And who don't want to sell them.
Poor this creature. You favor young Aki. You look like when young Aki does a beard and I reach a little size before it turn perfect Aki. That's how you look. How will you get this I come out here and tell people go look at job when you need a job. You don't want a job, you need a job. You understand? You need a job. So don't come out here come tell people go look at job. Because all of who you might have refer to is far better off than you. Everybody might know where them rent is coming from or their mortgage. And like me, I don't think about mortgage, I don't think about rent. I just think about my necessity where internet, light and water is concerned. That's all I think about. So majority of who out here what you are talking about better off than you. So you need a job. Because you need a job now, or you now have nothing in America earning from, you want Donna now to come out of pool for go look job because she sit down on her big black this that. Who you to? How can you tell a boss to go look at a job when she can't hire you? Eh? How can you? That's what we want to see, you know. Donna come America, come work under the system. That's what we want to see for talk. Donna come America, come work under the system. I think she have enough money. She don't have to work under the system until she can put her own system in a foundation in America. So don't worry about Donna and job. I don't need job.
Front can sit down in them house and stare out on the street side. I feel them business that's not my concern. They are adults. They need to go look at job. Them too big and careless.
You are the last person to tell people that.
They need to go get
You
a
and
job.
Marcia are the last person to tell anybody
Can't
that.
sit down for my name day in day out and I make money off of my name. I want to come disrespect me in the process. But yet still the people them what you not fight for. Nah feed you know. Them not help you pay on the bills. Them not do nothing for you but you sit up on the internet every day and fight for them non-progressive elements here. But the people them where I make you eat food, you not disrespect them, go suck on the mother. I don't want to call me name, I don't like you know.
That took a turn.
Don't call me name.
That took a turn. That one I didn't expect at this moment. So people, I kind of change location because the sound come up louder and louder. It's better to be safe than sorry when me have to go do back over the whole video. Only hope it not done get knocked by YouTube despite all the disclaimer that I send out. Alright? So me just change location because to me the sound I get a little bit higher and me not like the video. I have to go do it over. It just kill my spirit if me do it back over. My spirit, me just lose that spirit there. Yeah.
People that me not mix up with and chat with on the street. So I say, why me to come on social media, come chat up to them? Them type of people there. Them bright out and them need to
So who's looking friend from Tina? She just feel like the people are look friend from her. Me don't know where she get the idea there from. Tina, I know you're hurt. Girl, me know you're hurt. Trust me. Me know you're hurt. Because me don't know who that really get in your head to tell you say, you know, Donna sad and boring and depressed and she just glad when you call her name so she can have something to talk about. Damn! Remember, Donna can't come tell about her granny. Donna can't come out and come tell about Gizada. Can't come out and come tell about Dukuno. She can't come out and come tell when she used to walk up the hill. She can't come tell and say when her mother used to carry her down the so and around the so. All time they saying and still have an audience. You know that. Because you come out here and you speak up that because you're jealous of what the woman can do and create for content. So you come out here and you talk about it if a content them there. Wish this woman have 800, 1,600, 1,002, 1,003, at times all 2,000 people watching her telling them about the same thing where you are saying is not content. And the things you come out here to speak of, people business, because it's about people business. You have never come out here and speak of your business or your family business. When you have the opportunity to speak of some things that people would have probably interested in hearing of, since you know you have had experience or people who close to you with experience. For instance, your daughter's situation. There's a lot of people who like, you know, some form of comfort and motivation who is in the position as she right now, plus people who has not yet, who not looking forward to, but at the same time, you don't know, you know, at least, God forbid, you know, you can't say, well, you did get some motivation somewhere along the line over this or from this or. You understand? Even your own situation where you end up in a, you understand? That you have to do time. You don't come out here and use that and be an ambassador for yourself to come out here and teach people so they can learn from your mistake. If they don't want to learn, so be the case, but at least you did come out here and encourage people not to go that route, not to do that. Yes, the money might sweet you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times because it's not the first time you did get catch. You understand? But think of it, the consequence. After you get catch the 7 or the 8 or the 9 time, probably the money where you get can't work out for all these sentence or years that you're going to get. Come out here, come motivate people with your own things that happen to you in and around your family. You come out here from people business. Which that what you feel like is the right thing as content to highlight and motivate people. You know, have 300 or 200 somebody I watch you. But the foolishness what Donna talk about, the old time they sitting, the vintage sitting, your granny used to make you greater coconut, and your granny used to make you beat what you call it, cocoa and dry it and coffee, and she have all 1,600 somebody I watch her. That you get so jealous even further that the woman in a pool, and yeah, make it look like having a pool is nothing at all. True, you not like the chlorine. Pool is nothing at all. And I can tell you, every man that have a dream house also has a pool and that plan. Me now ask you whether he can swim or he can't swim. Every man that have a dream house when he want to build, all in the ghetto him there. Me can tell you say a pool would have depend that plan there. But you make it look like pool is nothing. Because you don't live nowhere. You can't afford to go in a pool. You can't afford to rent an apartment we have a pool. Because that bill you can't fit it. Because if you can't fit a like a $500 or $800 or a $1,200 rent, or you gonna fit 4,000 and 3,000 apartment that carry those type of luxury. So because you can't fit them apartment bill there, you don't have a pool, you criticize and make it look like having a pool is nothing at all. She never got Elsha, she never this, and she's in a Jamaican, she never got down on this and she never got down on that. Come on. You have a problem with chlorine. Nobody else might not have it. And even man who can't swim want a pool pan the mouse, any dream house in my bill. Every day expose all jealousies and bad mind. People them lifestyle of pressure you. Rich! That's what you call a rich lifestyle. And you are dead hungry. You make people eat food and you are dead hungry. Donna no. Yes, sir, start. Yes, sir, start. So, majority of who out here was on YouTube before Donna. So, how Donna make who out here do what them do? Yes, me might come after. But majority of who she attack is out here before Donna up on YouTube. Remember, you know, the whole of them did that live off of Donna content up on YouTube, you know. He, she, and the old lady. It's long after Donna come on YouTube. And most of who they live off of Donna content on YouTube, they were doing what they are doing now. There is nothing new that they are doing now that Donna dep on YouTube. So how comes Donna make them do this? How Donna breed them up? Tell me now, no? How Donna make them can know say them can come on YouTube? Remember other YouTuber make Donna know say she come over there because the money over there. And if everybody can use our content and make money, why not come make it off of your own content? Some did like it, some don't like it, because some them wage go right down. Because during the time that I wasn't on social and YouTube, they were the one using the content and I get the bulk of the money. So now that she come, the money scaled down, plus some of them has been told not to use the content anymore. So how Donna make we happen over YouTube happen? When she come over YouTube, come see where happen. Yes, I always want to blame this woman. Leave nastiness outside. You can't call nobody nasty, Tina. So if your woman say he is a medical dolly looking at your mouth, that is nastiness. Medical dolly. You can't call nobody nastiness. Because if you're a medical daddy looking at your mouth. Whether half price, full price, 3/4 price, or your money short, it takes some amount of money for you to become a medical daddy. Despite me not see the daddy looking at you. Me not see no daddy looking at you, you know. But you say he's a medical daddy. It took some amount of money, as me say. And at the same time, just looking at your mouth. So you can't call nobody nasty. Because all that money you have spent on your body, because you feel like you're not attractive. And you want to be so much attractive that when you go out there, you can probably have video man and just up and pss, 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 aye, hello, pss, pss, man just a pass your number. But at the same time, it never work out. So when you go on the street, you can't video nothing kind of man now call to you. You have to have video yourself. I can't believe say me look so good and no man now call to me. You understand? You have to have video yourself. But when I say that money there, you could have take that money and go sort out your mouth. Because me feel like say your mouth come first, because that's the first place any man where I look at woman. Yes, so might attract him first or around you so. But after getting that close up for exchange of words, this is what attract you. Yes, probably yes, and you look at the bottom, yeah. But after getting to say a word or two, and it don't make no sense you have around you so we attract the man and yes so. When him go come to say something to you and by the time say hi, hello, how are you? What's your name? I like what I see. By the time you say, oh, my name is T-Dog. My name is T-Dog. My name is T-Dog. My name is T-Dog. It's like a sudden man have your mouth open. If you tell him say your name is T-Dog in your head, my name is T-Dog. And when you look around, you say it come like a blackout. It come like in a Gilbert when Jamaica had no light. 1988. I saw the whole around you saw your mouth blackout. Like JPS cut off your light. So with all them attraction there, where you have yasso and round yasso, where you claim say you have, we attract the man. By the time they say a word and you have to answer him gone. So the best place to fix was your mouth first. Get rid of those rotten teeth. If I have 2, 2 and 3, 3, you could have get them out. So you can't call nobody out your nasty, Tina. Come on, you pass that. For a medical dolly, you pass nasty. Tina, Donna's grown right now. Donna's grown past what you're trying to do. Yeah. Donna has grown past what you're trying to do. Gone are the days when you come out and tell her about her kids. Not to mention when you go her mother. Yes, she might still come out, but that little Ray we you talk about, it come like when you rub up meat overnight, properly season it up, and tomorrow, that's what Donna season into this now. All of what you come and say, she's seasoning into it. This can't trigger her out for she come out here. Come call your name for you make no money off her. So go look this month rent somewhere else. This month rent not there right here, so. Go look it somewhere else. It not there, so. Right now, go sell the tightest part of you if them places are still tight, like all your nose hole and your ears hole, because you're so done, you know. You're so done. Your so is like a germs box right now. No man no want to push no pencil in your so. Because the pint of the pencil are contaminated. So no man no really want to push no pencil in your mouth right now. And the whole hand that they so bust in a one from day one, because you used to take it all over. You understand? And when most of the man them probably used to go both ways, because you never pick and choose who you take, you know, you take who go both ways. So sometimes when the man them come around the front your side, them say your front line not look good. And them gonna take the back door. And when them go in at the back door, the amount of man gonna end up love your back door till it bust right out in your front door. So right now, try your ears and your nose and see if you can go hustle your rent somewhere else. Because you don't have nowhere else comfortable for no man. And this is why you don't have a man. Because to all you feel like you look good and you don't have a personal man. And we now say you have to carry it in a social media for we know if you have or not. It is evident that you don't have a personal man. You don't have a man where hide and give you a dugo for $1. You don't even have a man where has a call girl. Not even as a call girl. You don't have a man of yours. And all in yourself, you look good. Girl will look good have man just a hunter. Girl will look good when she go a road, man just a run her down, drive her down, walk her down, ride her down. When she go a road, there be attention seekers out there. People just want to seek attention from you. People just are running to you so. When girl look good. When girl look good, we know say girl look good. Because when we see girl on the road, she can't walk in peace. Her ears, it's like the amount of pss, pss, she hear. It's like something are ringing. You know, like when you're there somewhere, like all down the country and you peeing one of them. Or the cricket them. I saw you hear them in your ears. Pss, 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 pss. Hi, hello, there. Hey, everybody, man all run in front of you riding. Man I do all manner of evil things just to get your attention. When you go on the road, that not happen to you. So oh, you look good. You just believe in yourself, so you look good. Because he's a medical dolly.
There's so much about you have to come out here and disrespect people. Right? People where you don't know, people where help you. People where you used to begging at one point. People where you used to
That you come again with?
you come out here and
Tina, what Donna beg you? What you have to give away, Tina? What you really have to give away, Tina? Donna that's sick in her head for you beg you anything. Not even favor. Every day you come out here talk about people. Every time you have somebody in an argument, everybody in your inbox I beg you. How where you have to offer so? Where you have to offer people so that every time you have somebody in a social media difference, them is the one in your inbox I beg you. Them are the one who are run to you for friendship. Where you have to offer so, Tina? Tina, what kind of links you have that people want reach out to you for you assist them and put them on the link, Tina? Tina, you have no money, Tina, when nobody call you, borrow no loan or beg you nothing, Tina. Tina, nobody know you have such, Tina. For you can establish a man like a small business when you must start with, Tina. When Donna come out here come beg you. When Noel come out here come beg you. When Chris come out here come beg you. Because you say all these people in your inbox are beg you. Ashanti, you say Ashanti in your inbox are this. What do you mean Ashanti a play? Hold on the people, make us see if I find it. People, wanna listen to this. All courtesy of Ashanti 360. Me I'm sure you said, oh, this girl a lie. Everybody always a call her. Remember she said she don't know Ashanti, you know. I always say our video or picture, I don't remember, I circulate where she and Ashanti in a one party. And she said she don't know Ashanti from a can of paint. Me I go play something with me hear Ashanti play recently when go back go name archive go dig up. So I don't listen because she always said these people are running her inbox a beg her and them a beg her friend and sitting. Listen now, this girl you call Ashanti boss. Ashanti, would you feel like I would have snitched on you like that? I am loyal. Oh no listen. Oh no listen. Just show you how this girl is alive. But she never knows that all them their memory are still there about. Oh no listen.
I big you up and I know. Ready to get down to business now. Sure. I'm facing. Gracie went and pulled up this because me and this person don't have no form of affiliation.
Listen to the tone of voice that she tried to Ashanti.
I didn't even realize it was the same person you guys were talking about. Until Gracie went and dug up this post from 2 years ago. Ashanti, you're a smart man. You really think that my loyalty is in question? You really think that's Ashanti? Up to yesterday, I did it on my live, I big you up and I tell you.
Ball, girl, ball to Ashanti.
Would I do that? Like in a real life? Come on, Ashanti. We're really hurt, man. My hurt bad. But you're busy and Gracie is pretty much trying to turn things around to deflect everything off of her. But Ashanti, you should not think that my loyalty to you or to everything that you guys have done for me should be questioned. You shouldn't be questioning that. You shouldn't question that because
life is a mission, it's not a competition.
You understand me? I hurt you. I'm not gonna hide it. Like, for what it seems like you go on your life and you say me this and me that. But come on, Ashanti.
You're crying.
You know, I'm not trying to call you now, but you're not answer.
You're crying.
On the live, you know, you're not answering up. I would never do that. Because when I see on the move, well, you shouldn't even question that. You understand me? I hurt you. I'm not gonna hide it. Like, me not hurt. I hurt. You understand? For what it seems like you go on your life and you say me this and me that.
Tina that attack people. I not Tina that. A AI. A AI that people. Hey Ashanti, move from your song. Go man. Move with your AI. A Tina that or a AI? Me confused. And the girl this way walk up and down and say people are running her inbox and beg her help and I beg her French. When you hear the girl about to 360. Listen to the tone of Tina voice. They say a ball. Bash. She literally a boss. My loyalty to you. This Tara. This is the manifestation I know from Tina Paint. This is one of the man she say I run up and down in her inbox. Everybody in a social media we should have difference with. They are the one I look friend from she. They are the one who are running our inbox the assistant. What kind of link Tina have? What kind of business Tina have? Tina have any financial support to offer anybody for people that are running to Tina so? And all of these people are ahead of Tina. What she talk about? Chris is ahead of you. Noel is ahead of you. Me not put Ashanti in it because he's not like a social media business person. So me put him out tight. Noel is ahead of you. Donna is ahead of you. Chris is ahead of you. Dimes, where you also get involved in this video, is ahead of you. So where you have to offer these people that are them and look friendship from you or them are running in your inbox. Go you to your all germs. So oh you can't come and speak on your father. And you know who your father slept with. Eh? Come and speak on your father, man. Come and tell the people them how does your child has your father name? Allegedly, because that's what me hear. Me now have no evidence of it. But that's what I heard. Is it that you were carelessly molested by your father? Or you were carelessly molested by 2, 3, 4 different men and you don't know who is your child father and you just give the child your name, which is your surname, which should be your father's surname? Come and let us know how your child has your father's surname. Is it that allegedly your father molested you and get you, or you were molested by other men and you don't know who was the one who get you? You understand? And you just give the child your name, which is your father's surname. You if you come out here, come talk your business. If you want people come out here, come talk for them personal, private business. You have so much private and personal business that you can come out here and talk of. Come out here and talk of them. Use them to make content. A lot of people would gladly come and join for hear whether them is with you or not. And that will help you faster if you get your rent a month time. Just come out here, come tell the people that your business, because they want to know your business, you know. Because there's a whole heap of your business where you hide, you know, when you come public, you know. A whole heap of your business where you hide when you come public. So you can carry the rest of when you come public. People will take on Twitter and listen because of you name T-Dog. And once a dog, you will always be a dog. You can't become a puppy no more. You grow from puppy stage to dog stage. How can you go back to puppy stage? You can't go back to puppy stage. Them have a saying, we say once a man, twice a child. We can understand that part. But there's no way you can have once a dog and twice a puppy. No. Once a puppy, once a dog. So come out here, create content with your past. You talk about Donna, if you come out here, come talk about her mother. Donna mother alright, right, ignoring you. Any past Donna mother have it no fit on her. I'm actually the weak and I like you. Ungrateful, what you have done for her? Listen, lifestyle jealousy. You wanna see where she gone? But you want to look good in her glasses. On hope when the day come, because it's going to come up. Because as me tell everybody, you know, this, you know, no like wrong with my sight before me get this, you know. Me can see as far as me can see. But you see, if me fi draw for this, me can't read a word in this without this. Because if me take off my glasses to read this, everything but blurry. Everything come like it in a one. Me not see nothing. Me have to have on this. Then everything good. Me not need this to see where me a go. On a daily basic. It's only that true. Them say once you start wear glasses, like you can't stop because you always have to have it on. But this not stop me from drive go nowhere at all. No light not affect me. No bright light nothing at all not affect me. Like how some people have to have on them glasses when they might drive because the light affect them. Nothing affect me. Me only need my glasses when me need to read. Read. So sooner or later you going to need one to make sure you can afford it. Donna could have afford for her own, and Donna never have to buy none because she's an ambassador. She's an ambassador. Remember? Remember? For Phoenix Vision, she's an ambassador. So she didn't have to buy it. So make sure you have the privilege there. Either you can buy one or by then you're an ambassador for a glassware place. Simple as that. Up to the woman glass. The tell you says a lifestyle madness this a reach, you know. You move from one stage to the other. You go crazy over the woman lifestyle now. The woman they up in your hometown and I live better life than you. She can in a pool. We have never seen you. All the years you say you're in a social media and you're in and around. We have never seen you live somewhere where you have a facility like that. Never! Which part you come from, you know, you say in our whole house, you know, the last part where you move from, you know, where them give notice from, you know. You say our whole time house, them kind of renovate and make it look about them look a long time, old time house. Till they can itch up with your daughter, you know. So we have never seen you, all the celebrity that you think you are. And all that you have achieved out here and who you know from who you don't know and who you parried from who and the eggs them where you lick eggs with and all kind of thing. We have never seen you in a lifestyle moment. And this is why now the woman a live lifestyle moment, you have a problem. And this a moment a common moment. This a moment being into a pool a common thing. But it still, it can trigger you. So when the woman buy her own property now up there, and have her own pool, one indoor, one outdoor. Lord God, jacuzzi in a pool and all them they sitting there. How you gonna manage, girl? Eh? Every minute ambulance up in your hometown. The people, your neighbor, them are going to get tired of you because every minute them have to go call ambulance to you. Because every minute you see something on live, it will go trigger you. And you go becomes a nuisance to you, to your neighborhood. You understand? You go becomes a nuisance. Every minute them have to go call ambulance to you. Sorry for you. Prepare for what is to come. You don't see nothing yet. Advice, people, jealousy. Only listen to advice.
Yes, come speak on that. Come speak on carelessness.
Y'all never wake up good in our advice, I crack same way. Sleep in our advice. She doing this video, you know. She said she come in after, must be after 12:30 going 1 o'clock. And she claimed she couldn't sleep. Why you couldn't sleep? That you have to wake up so early. You couldn't sleep. But you find the time to make sure you get some rest. But you find the time to come out on social media with your voice a crack, sound tired, like a man just bore something down your throat. Bigger than a 5-pound cucumber. Thick as the bottom of your so. A bore it down your throat. You understand? And it seems like it crack your throat, so you can't hear your voice. You can't find the time to come out upon Donna lifestyle where she live. And nobody tell you say you can't go in a pool. You know say you have pool body. You say you have pool body. You don't have to go into the chlorine pool. You have pool that make from fresh water. Yes, man, you have pool with straight fresh water around there. Because you have people who live near all river, where them set them stream, them build them pool where the river water run pump to the pool, resurface back out, and fresh one come in. So if you live lifestyle moment, you can go find fresh water pool when a chlorine in it, because your excuse is you don't like the chlorine, your body is allergic to the chlorine. So if your body is allergic to the chlorine, how you bathe? Or what kind of water you bathe in? A river water you bathe in? Let me ask you a question. Oh, that much chlorine is not into the water that is into the pool. Good excuse. Kuyoto. Why you make it, Tina? You make it so obvious that these people just live in your head rent free. Trust me. Especially 99. Yeah, man. And you turn it around and make it look like a 90. Yo! You're bad. You're bad. You're bad, T-girl. You're bad. Because you turn this thing around like, you know, you're the important one here. When you are the least of the problem, you don't have nothing for 99 fret then. You are the least of the problem. You don't have nothing for dimes, them are fret man. You are the least of the problem. You know depend Nobel mind man. You are the least of the problem. You know depend Chris level man. You are the least of the problem. But you just feel like you are the important one right here. Listen how that girl is nasty and her stomach but she have strong. Listen how she nasty and her stomach strong. That's why she can't so much rotten the teeth in her mouth. This present moment where you hear she has said this. The coffee and whatever she go buy are each she have, you know. And look what she choose to talk about. Back in the days when you walk downtown and the madman them like this one bag of poo. You are eat and you think about that at the same time. Them the poo that no nice poo for you even reflect back when you eat some food, you know. Cause me I tell you, you know, some big chunk of sitting them you see like off a show, you know. Just only show you how this girl have a drunk stomach. Cause me could have never eat and my mind reflect this so pan that. If my mind even goes and click pan that quick remember say eat, me bypass. But no matter how you want to come criticize, where you want to come class this woman about, a she a win. You is a loser. And it come like he's a loser from the day you're born. Because you know why he's a loser from the day you're born? Everything you try your hand pan, you fail. Every God almighty thing you try your hand pan, you fail. So it come like he's a loser from your born. It's not just now you coming around trying to fight against a winner. And try to tear down people where win. Reaction I take you. And from your born is a loser. But what? You just a show people now. But it seems like you see that. Say you is a loser. But you show we say you is a loser. Because you're fighting against winners. And you're not getting anywhere. You're not tear down the winners them. And you're not move forward to join the winners them. So you're a goddamn loser. Stop and think about it. You're a loser, woman. Accept say you're a loser. Hold on the people, may I ask a question? This argument that she had talked about where Donna come out and can remember now, you know, and everything me I see out here, you know. This argument that she come out here, why she probably address Donna, is about kitchen argument. Whatever kitchen argument Donna speak of on her platform, because she said Donna said some of them now have no kitchen. Right? And she, just as Marcia would have done also, say as she Donna talk. She go as far and say them used to criticize her kitchen, say she had this in her kitchen, and now she not show no kitchen, them a chat right. So did Donna call this girl name? If there is any argument of her speaking of kitchen on her platform, me know somebody there mostly depend the life. Did Donna call for her name about kitchen? Me no know, me just ask. Because as me say, me not hear. But knowing them, when Donna come out here and say what she has said, then gravitate to it. Then gravitate to it. Because deep down, them knowing of themselves say, me not in the kitchen. But Donna no live at them yard like how them live at Donna yard. So how Donna don't know say they not in the kitchen. So whether Donna talk in general, them take offense to it, or whether she a throw stone, it always a go hit them. Always a go hit them. Because them put themselves in the position to hit them. Jump on our life now. Yes, who you say one planker. Yes, who you say one planker. That now dry down from RIC to sit down from. Yes. Accepted. That's how you now go see. You now live to see that. Donna will never reach to your level. You're a talk to a boss. That about them. Them want Donna for the America get up and work for people so them have things to say. But true it not happen. True it not happen, them have a big problem with it. And that them why not Donna for get up go do 95. Oh boss lady for get up go work. Boss lady sit down and put her things in place for hire you. As a watchdog. Not to put you inside, but outside. As a watchdog. Boy! A boss don't want to come and work. Eh? You know what? Months and weeks probably leeching a visit to a business place. Eh?
They report to somebody, they have work to go. They have some responsibility to do as adult. They have some adult responsibility to do. And you, with your big boy looking self, you look like a big fat boy.
You're all Hogan sister. You're all Hogan sister, twin sister. I said woman look like boy. All Hogan sister this you know. I say our next woman look like boy.
Everybody gotta work and take care of them adult responsibilities. Don't go you alone where the people them pull like a friggin' idiot.
It born you Donna actually live America and it's like a vocation to get one. Big life.
If I don't give you a
We are mad yo.
Yourself. For the past couple of weeks, they sit down in your house and mad. In the apartment, they are mad out. Mad.
Here I turn it around.
You don't know where to turn. You're mad out. Because you sit down with the people in the apartment. I'm mad out. You don't know what to do. And I still that you give you a little attention. You start dance up in the mirror and go like this. If you ever saw you look like this,
anything for Madonna is that she don't want to come back to Jamaica right now. Nothing else could have mad at her. Nothing else. Not you, not financially, nothing else, but probably just want to come back to Jamaica. Who you talk? Alright, property manager. Alright, property manager, supervisor. Alright. Okay, property manager, you need to put up the sign so everybody see it visible. That don't wear your clothes in the jeans and your this thing called the dye is going to affect the pool. Property manager, your mistake. Take responsibility. Put up a visible sign, property manager. Kuyoto. Are you the property manager? You try to make a case of yourself. Go ahead. And nobody make you can't model in a pool. And nobody make you can't live on the property where pool there. Eh? The woman lifestyle sick you. Move with your bad stomach. Go somewhere, go vomit. So all you know, whatever clothes you ever wear, not have dye in it, and it not wash with detergent. So laundry detergent now wash your tights or your two-piece where you ever wear going there. All you know say chlorine color where you talk about dye in the two-piece or the tights so somebody ever wear going there. Move. You're trying to create a case for yourself. The amount of time I say pool party I keep and people I push off people in a pool in a clothes and everything. Kuyoto. Eh? If that is any great concern, people would not do that. And if that was any concern, it would have been visible around the area where the pool is. Please, just like how when you keep it like you know, them little kiddies something there, them tell you say don't go into the bounce about with your shoes, wear a socks. Don't do this, don't wear a shoes, go on that. Don't them tell you. Because them know what can happen if you wear your shoes. So they make sure to tell you wear a socks. So if there was a problem with what you were talking about where the pool is concerned, you would have seen signs put up, visible, that people could have seen it, that you're not supposed to go in the pool in your clothes. You're supposed to have on bath suit or tights or whatsoever, and you're supposed to have special made one too. Because these tights and bath suit can also have dye in them too. Eh? Them can have dye in them too. Plus, they also wash with detergent. So them supposed to put up sign, don't wear any clothes that wash with detergent. Wear clothes that wash with more liquidified what do they call it now? Clothes washers, like, you know, liquid soap that, you know, you used to wash clothes. Kuyoto, fabric softeners and stuff like that. Move! Try make a case of yourself. The woman lifestyle of your head, girl. Go ahead. Move. You got to talk about the woman never goes. The woman tell us she can't swim. Where she go see and go to Port Royal and all about, she can't swim. Eh? She can't swim? The woman tell us she can't swim. The woman going where she feel comfortable. Move, man.
People know what you do. You can't come style, idiot woman.
You a styler, Donna a designer. Donna create style because she's a designer. You just a styler. You have to use the style Donna carry out because she design it. You just a styler who model people's style.
Surrounded by water. You've never taken yourself and gone to Elsha and swimming at the water, Elsha.
Your argument weak.
To Port Royal and sit on the seawater.
Your argument weak,
You've
girl.
never gone to Ochi. You've never gone to Duns River
You live in a foreigner we have never seen into an upscale community. You never live in an upscale community. You never in a pool yet you live a foreign. You grow almost all your years a foreign. So we can say the same to you. Alright, jackass. Okay, jackass.
It's one thing to not know because not everybody's going to have similar life experiences. But as you're learning, you humble yourself. You don't come out here and try to disrespect other people thinking that you're actually doing something when you're not. You're not doing anything because you're making yourself look stupid. Because all
Georgia she did that do. If she not do not know you're under pressure. Georgia she did that do.
they're focusing on other things in life right now. All the fuckery that you're coming out here right now bragging about, people been there and done that.
You not reach there yet. You not reach there yet. All the try you try to reach, I know you can't reach.
First time, Hot Albert, right? You
Alright, Hulk Hogan sister, twin sister. Hulk Hogan twin sister, okay.
and stop trying to throw shade on people, making yourself look stupid.
You could have called Donna all kind of name to come on.
Because everybody's laughing at you because we
That
see
not
that you
jerk
have
her.
experiences in life. You think a bad mind, people bad mind, you know. People are laughing at you in a real life.
You
Because
serious?
look at what you're bragging about. Sitting inside of the people in pool, doing pool the wrong way, and want to throw shade on people. And talk about, the people in pool.
There's a right and a wrong way to do pool. I wonder if she think a pool table we are talking about where you use this tickle and the ball. Because she says she's sitting in the pool doing pool the wrong way, people laughing at her. So there's a right and a wrong way to pooling. More than you protect yourself that you know drown. Whether you can swim or can't swim, you go in the water and you splash it up. If you want to cork your nose, you go down and you dip like a dive, you dive. Anything you want to do, you just want to know which part in the pool you're there. You can angle yourself. You not go too deep in the pool because you know the pool have it stages where you might have 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet. So if you know say you're 6 feet and you can't swim, you stay 2 or 3 feet and you splash up water pan you make it look like you swim. You no matter. That's all me know. Me don't know if pool have wrong way and right way. Me no know.
I talk about mediocre things, or people don't have no kitchen to cook in. Are you dumb?
Oh, that offend you? Did she call your name?
What kind of stupid shit you
Wanna tell me if Donna did call her name? Who hear that live there?
to cook in? When were you born? When were you born? Were you born in the 1900s or something? I'm sorry. What kind of stupid shit is that you're in the people's pool talking about? Talking about people don't have no kitchen to cook in, and people don't have this, and people don't have. Let it go sit.
She find a problem with everything Donna talk about and she now watch Donna. And here still people sit down and watch all the foolish and the crap. Sensible people, people with PhD, people with diploma, people who in them big job, people who have them house, people who have them good family and live them good life. Sit down and listen Donna. And you will know it all, nobody now sit down and listen you. Be a little fool people sit down and listen you. Who you to?
Your sorry ass.
And everything Donna do is crap. But here still people sit down and listen to you in a better position than you.
Go sit down. Go have several seats. You think this is fucking, you think this is, I mean, nothing against Jamaica because Jamaica is far ahead in.
No man, condemn Jamaica.
In everything.
Ask if you think this is Jamaica. Condemn Jamaica.
You have some people in Jamaica.
People
who are
still there Jamaica when they're in a kitchen.
extreme poverty, right? So you're telling me that you think you're living in Jamaica? Or Jamaica, you think you're living up?
So yeah, dress it up now. You dress it up first, now you come and bring it down.
Americans talking about people don't have no kitchen to cook in. Huh? You see why people are giving, people shouldn't give them.
Then if you get a little catch somewhere and the people them have them kitchen and you are not allowed to use the kitchen, you have a kitchen? If somebody get somebody like you all skirmish somewhere for catch because them sorry feel whether you pick me or whosoever and you have no privilege to them kitchen. You have a kitchen? No. You don't have a little catch where you can put your head and rest from cold. But you don't have a kitchen. Unlike Marcia, See, I just gone live that what me call her name, speak of the devil. You understand? She not had no kitchen neither. Man say have to buy food a road, but yet she have somewhere she catch her head. She can't call the people them canteen kitchen. The people them canteen and her kitchen, she can't go in and go put on a pot. And the little space so she might have upstairs to boil little water. She can't probably do no deep cooking up there neither. So Anna, everybody have kitchen. So what you talk say? You have all people build all house, one room, no space for them to build a kitchen, them have to cook outside. But you still have a one room over their head. Cause that's what matter. I can cook anywhere in the road, anywhere in the street, anywhere out the door. Oh, that offend you so much. That bunny. Come like Donna, it's your nerves. I still ask people, did Donna call her name and this kitchen argument? Who did they find the live? Tell me in the comment. They don't know it hurt her so. A river water she bathe in. The pipe water and the chlorine in night. A river water she bathe in. She don't like pool because of the chlorine. You hear her silly excuse? Because she can't afford. It's on a open time we see somebody sponsor you or you thief for money and go on a resort hotel. We don't see you in a pool in a car, you don't like pool. Remember your word. Why? People will have less than Donna right now. I not have nothing. Work them for 95. I have the privilege to go in a pool. All cheap hotel you in a Gretna Green. You can't go rent and go in a pool. Cheap hotel. Me not talk about a resort. Cheap hotel. Where people go in a hourly and come out in and out. You can't go in a pool. So what you talking about? If I never for Facebook the woman couldn't afford to go in a pool, the money we share thief from people and all them something there. Could you too? People with less than Donna have privilege to go in a pool. Could you? Move. Move down.
You see all them steer people? But listen to this now. Listen to all the woman dark. This woman gonna come out and talk about people now in the kitchen for cooking now. When I was at my other place and I was minding my business, baking in my kitchen, them come out and have a problem with it.
That wasn't the problem. I don't to dry away your drawers, them are going on your washing machine. What we're afraid say you mix up your drawers with the kitchen towel. Everybody follow you. Tina, everybody follow you. Cause you don't have nothing to show. You don't have nothing to show. Gone on dimes now. Dimes. The people in lifestyle have our dime share talk you know.
That's why Una must sit down there and show off on people because Una don't know that y'all are doing it wrong.
And you are doing it right. Where do it take you? You are doing it right. Where do it take you?
Same thing with the laundry thing, the grocery thing, and the laundry thing. Una want to come out here and show people say
It's a lifestyle moment. Talk if you're talking. Tea gal and bark if you're barking. People them lifestyle it a mad yo. So what you worry about the people them health? People don't want to look at you worry about them health. Move. Clean on you.
Things make yourself look stupid.
Clean on your Tina. We never see you clean out your house yet. Never.
I try to degrade other people. So we're there. Everybody else don't wash. I'm alone wash.
We never see you clean out your house yet, Tina. Move. Nasty girl.
Nobody else no wash by here. Nobody no clean. Nobody no do them things that Uncle Uno do it, right? Uno come on here and invent washing clothes. Uno invent cleaning house. Uno invent spreading bed.
Yeah.
Uno invent
Jealous. Cause them habits to spread, you don't have none.
invent everything because before Uno did come on the internet, nobody else did do it. Nobody was doing it before y'all. Uno is so
That's why you make it look like nobody wasn't out here before Uno. Uno start everything out there on social media. People were here before Uno too.
It's so stupid on the look. Uno look stupid and dark, and this is why.
You don't come out there come and boast so much ears, you know, out there and them just come. People did out there before Uno too. You don't have nothing for show and tell. That's why you can't show and tell. The people them proud of what them have. But you don't have nothing to make life. You don't have nothing to make life. You don't even have life itself. You don't even have life itself, so you don't know what makes life. So the people them can't afford to buy it and them have the space can't put it there. What tell Marcia that? Oh, you not tell Marcia that? Oh, you not tell Marcia that? All of Marcia ferocious them still there. We call it storage. Where she did have a grow roach and rat. We never tell her that. No, because them can't afford it. You can't afford it. And you are the fool. You are the fool to come out here and talk about the idiot. You don't have nothing to show off, Tina. If you didn't have your that show now, you don't want you cannot expose your data, please. That's it. That's it. You cannot expose your data, please. Just one little corner where them put you in. Because I know you're not getting no reference and your data place is still there. The fuck remains, she got one. She got some. She got some. PR1. PR1. When you have the dryer and the washing machine, pull up your one. You should take it and pull up your hole. You understand? Yeah. You should take the washing machine and the dryer where you have more space and put in your hole and pull up that. So you could have space in your kitchen. Move. What if it basic? Well, you don't have none, whether basic or not basic. Speak my mind, people, bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. No, let me not do a video long, so. You don't know they do like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. And please remember, go on the website and purchase something. Help me to help the needy. You understand? And remember, I'm telling you, when you not buy, it give me more privilege. Can adapt one or two more. Put on the two where me have, I can reach out strongly each month to these people who me adapt. 5 people, elderly people to give back to. Grocery at the end of the month. Me not run a charity. Just support my marriage. Who want to send something to the cash app, still pin in the comment section. So be the case. Big up my A-team when them ready and them can pop on a thing, them pop it on. When them can't pop it on, so me committed. So me have to fulfill my commitment. Peace out. Happy Sunday.